Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video, let's talk about Boeing, and basically let's talk about airlines for this week. I was gonna make a video on like a weekly watch list for this week, and I just thought to make a video on airlines and Boeing because this is kind of like the main play that I'm watching for this week. Now let's take a look at Boeing. Okay, we have looked at Boeing for over a month now, waiting for this breakout from the downtrend. So as you guys can see, I made this video like a month ago on a potential downtrend breakout. We had the video around right over here, and we did not break this downtrend, and then at the end we did end up sniping this last week on Boeing. Okay, so right over here we actually bought calls. We paper handed it very badly on Boeing, and we're looking at another potential play for this week. So last week we played the demand zone by buying off the demand zone and riding it up. Now I'm looking to play this downtrend breakout. So as you guys can see, this is a major resistance. Okay, price has been rejecting this level, but what happens when we break this? Okay, once we break this, we have broken the downtrend. Okay, and we are finally looking to reverse from this downtrend breakout and to move to the upside right over here. So let's look at this right over here. Let's look at the chart right over here. Weekly looks even better right over here. As you guys can see, this is a downtrend breakout right over here. This is a very similar play to MU. So we're still swinging MU, but right over here we had this very nice downtrend breakout, and this was our price target right over here. Boeing right over here has a very nice gap. So I'm looking at amount out calls on Boeing, so that should be around a 5% move. What is going to be our stop loss? Okay, so our stop loss is going to be below, okay, if we start rejecting this resistance. Okay, so our stop loss is going to be below this level right over here, so below 223. If we start breaking out right over here, okay, so if we start breaking out right over here and we come back to break the support, that will be our stop loss right over here. Another thing I want to show you guys is this gap. Okay, let's talk about this gap right over here, because again, we have played many gaps, and you guys are thinking, why don't we play this gap to the downside? You guys got to understand that this can be a breakaway gap. A breakaway gap is a gap basically when we break the downtrend, we start up basically reversing, and it's just sign of a reversal for an uptrend. As you guys can see right over here, we had insanely high volume. Okay, very high volume. That is a great sign. Whenever we break out of the downtrend with very high volume, that is going to give us very nice volume right over here. And then we have this gap to the upside, so let's put this as our price target right over here. So actually, let's do this. So as you guys can see, the price target is 234. This will be our stop loss. And then again, we had insanely nice volume. And an example of a breakaway gap is again like right over here, where we kind of broke out of this downtrend, this channel right over here, and we gapped out right over here. You guys got to understand that, this gap does not has to be filled. As you guys can see right over here, we had a downtrend breakout, and we had this very nice breakaway gap, again with very nice volume when we're looking down below. Same with right over here. You guys got to see these patterns right over here. We broke out of this downtrend, insanely high volume, and this is called a breakaway gap. We do not have to fill that gap, okay, because it is a sign of a uptrend. So Boeing looks very nice. A definite play for this week. As long as if we don't hit our stop loss, I'm bullish, but other than that, Boeing looks very nice. I'm looking to grab calls right at market open, right around market open. This play looks very nice. Again, do not over leverage. At the most 10% of your account in this play. Okay, so Boeing looks very nice. Now let's take a look at like American Airlines, other airlines. As you guys can see, we're hitting this Very nice, major resistance on American Airlines. Let's take a look at Jets, which is actually ETF. Again, as you guys can see, some nice breakout right over here, breakaway gap. And then overall, all of the airlines are looking very nice. We also have Delta Airlines right over here, but Boeing looks the strongest. So I'll be looking at Boeing calls right around market open, a possible repeat of right over here. But other than that, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Very simple video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you guys tomorrow at market open. Again, we only swung MU, so see you guys at market open.